Hi guys, welcome now to Bennetts Beds. And this little video, we're going to talk today about Hypnos beds. Hypnos beds are billed as the most comfortable beds in the world, and who can deny that fact, with all 100% natural fillings in all their mattresses. I'll run through some of the mattresses for you later on and some of the ranges. Hypnos beds have been making beds for over 100 years. They are 100% recyclable at the end of their life. Suppliers to Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. Wow. Or as we know her, Madge. Four main ranges in the Hypnos range. They have the Affinity range, which is silk, cashmere, alpaca and wool, all 100% beautiful. They have the Legacy range, which has the New Zealand wool. That's a new one they're going to be putting in soon because it's far more environmentally clean coming from New Zealand than any other wool. They also do the cashmere in the Legacy range. They have the Marquis Supreme and also the Royal Comfort. In about 2 minutes, we're going to get around to the Royal Comfort. It is beauty, beauty. Some of the fillings in the beds are here. We have the ultra sensitive springs, we have the camel wool, we have the white hair, we have the pashmina and bamboo, we have the alpaca, the wool and the reactive springs as well. We'll show you about this later on. We'll have a bit more of a talk about this. I'm going to talk about this bed as well here, which is from the Emotion range, which is a fully electric bed. It is a stunning piece of equipment with a beautiful mattress on top as well. All made with the finest quality Damascus on the top. It's tufted mattresses all round as well, because that holds all the filling far better, and pocket springs in every bed. Pocket springs act individually to work with your body to make it so it's far more comfortable. Right, enough about this one. Let's go have a look at some of the ranges. Here's a goodie for you. This headboard and base is the part of the Vienna buttoned wingback selection in premium cloth. A really good quality cloth, this one. Again, all the stuff that we're going to show you now from Hypnos can be bespoke made to any particular size. Obviously, you can have the single, the queen, the king and super king, but then you can go on to the emperor. They can even do your round bed. It's all bespoke, made to whatever you want. They're handmade, the best. Right, I want to show you some of the other ranges now. Come with me. Okay, show you this one. This headboard is called a Francesca headboard and base. It's a shallow base on 6-inch legs. The legs themselves, again, are bespoke. You've got a choice of over 20 different styles of legs, casters and feet for all your bases. Show you this one. It's called the Harriet. Beautiful. It's got a real good leather feel on it. This mattress here is the Affinity Silk. It's from the Affinity range. It's a silk mattress. It's filled with nothing but natural fibres, natural silk. It's a beautiful, beautiful mattress. Feels great. And this feels just like leather. Oh, don't forget as well that all Hypnos beds come with a full, complete full 10-year guarantee. Quick one for you on this one. Imperial grey headboard and base area. Again, the base on this one is a shallow 6-inch base with legs, again, bespoke. You choose the legs. Do you want different colours, different styles? Entirely down to you. It's all bespoke. Whereas this base, it's what they call a divan base. It's a solid 12-inch base. From the mattress to the floor, choice of casters, choice of feet. This mattress here is from the Affinity range. It's the alpaca. Again, you're getting all the pocket springs inside the mattress, beautiful pocket springs, and then 100% alpaca finish on the top. Tufted, again, with air vents on the side of the mattress to help with moisture. Fantastic, a beautiful feel. These two, beautiful. This one is the Catherine in tweed. Look at it, it's an absolute beast of a headboard, this one. It's a beautiful feel to it, a beautiful look about it. Again, all bespoke, made to whatever measurements that you want on this one. Fantastic. This base that we see here is a divan base again with an east-west split. That means it comes in two halves, east to west. This one, on the other hand, is a north-south split. There's a reason for that, which I'll show you later on, but the north-south split, east-west, again, your choice, whatever you want. If your stairs are a bit dodgy, north-south split. If you've got easy stairs, east-west. This material, beautiful. It's from the designer range of materials, including the Harlequin range and the Sanderson range. Two swatches containing the best materials, beautiful. Tons of colours to choose from. Absolute beauty. Great stuff. Oh, let me show you this one. Look, Hypnos also do mattress toppers. Comfort on comfort. It's like I could stay here all day. We're going to come back and talk about some options that this bed comes in as well shortly. Don't go away. Here's a bed solution from Hypnos. Fantastic idea. This, as it stands at the moment on the showroom floor, is a king-size ottoman. Split north to south. Now what you can do with this one is you can have this as two separate beds. We'll give you two 75cm beds. One this side, one that side. We fasten them together. They've got the mechanics at the top that make this what they call an ottoman. It picks up from the bottom, lifts up that high, and the mattress on, we close it down again, got your storage hidden. This gives you the whole base to use as storage, which is a massive amount of space. Put quilts in there, shoes in there, anything you don't want, all your winter stuff fits in there. Ottoman, brilliant idea. Some more storage solutions and bed solutions from Hypnos. Look at this. At the moment, if you've got all your valances and quilts on here, this is just a standard 90 centimetre single bed. No, this is called the trio bed. 1, standard bed. 2, pull this out. 2 standard beds. 3, pull this all the way out. This base has automatic legs underneath. Lift the base up, it stands exactly the same height as this one. Use a zip and link on the mattresses to zip them together. You've got yourself a super king size bed. The guest bed trio. Another fantastic bed solution from Hypnos. So here we are with Hypnos beds, showing you a few different bed solutions. I want to show you this one first. There's 3 different bed solutions on this one bed. Look at this one. This is called the hideaway. You've got the full base area to use on this side to put all your storage in. There's no drawers in there. There's no nothing. You've got the whole base, the whole length. And on this one, you've got half the width, but it's called a hideaway. Again, drop the flaps down, it's completely gone. It looks like a little east-west split, doesn't it? The bed split that way, it's not. The bed split north and south. So you've got half the depth of the base there for all your storage. That's just one. There's another 2 on this one. Go around the other side, I'll show you the other side. So look at these, the 2 other brilliant bed solutions. Check this out. Again, flaps up. It's a full drawer divan this side. You can also have this, because everything's bespoke from Hypnos. This can also come as a half drawer to allow you to have a bedside cabinet, which will still allow the drawer to open. But again, gone. This is my favourite thing ever on a bed. Looks like a drawer. It's not. Look at that. That, my friend, is a safe. Put all your good stuff in there, it's going nowhere. You're not going to get this in a swag bag. Look at that. Brilliant idea. Can't even see it. Brilliant. And as we get to the end of this little compilation, I shall plonk myself on the Royal Comfort Sovereign. That's this one here, with a Victoria headboard in Tresco turquoise. What a beauty. If Her Madge was to have any bed in the Buckingham Palace area, it would very probably be this one. It's an absolute beauty of a bed, including the headboard, matching base. Not going to get much better. Over 100 years we've been making beds. Actually, over 100 years we've been practicing making beds, but I can tell you now, practice has made perfect. For any information on any of the Hypnos range today, and or any information on Bennetts bedrooms, go to our website, www.bennettsbedrooms.com.